Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best Sharp microwave in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying Sharp microwave. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. Sharp 1.4 cubic feet microwave. Inside LED light is bright, so you can easily keep an eye on the cooking process. Easy to use with plenty of pre-programmed choices. Food heats up quickly and evenly. Users love how the black stainless steel complements their other appliances. A larger capacity microwave that will feed the whole family while adding plenty of class to any kitchen. The microwave is light for its size and sometimes slides across countertops, and its feet don't grip surfaces securely. At number 2. Sharp 1 cubic foot medium duty commercial microwave. No turntable that might need to be replaced, although users feel this can mean less even cooking. Easy to use and clean. Long lasting whether it's used by multiple people in an office setting or at home. Heats food and beverages very quickly. With room to spare and an intuitive timer dial versus touchpad, this heavy-duty microwave has room to spare for larger dishes. No built-in clock. May not have as much subtle functionality, such as defrost, as microwaves with touch controls. At number 1. Sharp 1.4 cubic feet over-the-counter microwave. A solid, dependable unit that will last many years with proper use. Controls are plentiful and easy to use. Display is well lit. Cooks food in about half the time as other similarly sized microwaves. Users love the reheat functions. Works with standard cabinet sizes. A non-obtrusive powerhouse microwave, with plenty of bells and whistles, designed to be mounted under a countertop. Can be difficult to mount. Some users thought it would also work over a stove, but only for counter use. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.